Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Forgive the fan in the background, it truly is so hot. I don't even know what the temperature is, but it is absolutely stifling down here in Somerset. It is incredible. However, I am here, as you can see, with a new project for you. Well, it's not new at all, that's wrong, but with another project for you. And what I've used again is the free kit from Scrimpingmommy, which has been readily available on her Ko-fi shop. And if you are a member of the group, then clearly it's available in the group as well, with a special freebie that wasn't actually put up onto Amanda's Ko-fi. It was kept strictly for the group, of which I'm a member. And you know, if you are interested in this kind of thing, then I would suggest you go along. There's lots of inspiration there, lots of lovely ladies who are working and using all of these kits and freebies and purchasing on Amanda's group, which is Scrimpy and Friends. Now this is inspired again by Yvonne Preston, although I've since seen that there are lots and lots of other people that are out there doing a very similar approach. I mean, it's envelopes. There are only so many things you can do with envelopes besides stuff them and put them in the post. You know, it's got its limitations, but I've if I show you one half first, this is the first half, and there's a pocket here with a little tag in it, the main centre here with that rather good looking man there looking out across, counting up his money and what he's got to do for the next day. There's another gentleman here on the main page, and there is a tag in this pocket as well, if I can get it out. Yeah, I think I've got it a little bit stuck, and all I've done is use the ephemera from the kit, backed it on a craft card, but I have chosen a less sturdy craft card because this flip-flap booklet won't take a whole lot of things in the pocket if the cardstock is too high in the gram rate. Here's the other side of it. So you've got 5 areas altogether, and this is the project that's made up from 5 envelopes of varying sizes. You cut them to suit yourself. There is more ephemera in this little pocket here, just little snippets and bits and pieces that lent themselves to this kind of format to fill up pockets within the little flip-flap pockets here. But it is obviously you can put in the pockets whatever you like. You could put in postcards, extra bits and pieces that you just want to keep safe, but it really is a lovely kit, and all the men in it are different. They've all got different outlooks, different clothes, and I think there's probably a little bit of difference in years as well, but it works so well. And then on the other side there is the first 3, and on this side, even though I used it wasn't Tyvek, but I used another seam strengthener, I felt that I needed to put the washi tape in there as well, because I didn't quite trust that the stuff I'd used was going to hold on and do its job properly. Another little tag here from the ephemera within the kit. Another made up page here. There's plenty to fussy cut, there's plenty to colour. I've done the stenciling on it, as you can see, and it all just adds to the overall look. What I've got in the pockets is actually quite sparse, but you know, we all have things that we would want to put in the pockets for safekeeping, and were you to give it to someone male as a gift, I'm sure they would keep receipts, or you know, all manner of things in the pockets anyway, so I didn't feel I needed to overfill them to make the project work. So I hope that's been of interest to you. The kit really is very, very good indeed. There are lots and lots of components to be taken out of it. There are pages that are actually all made up and ready to go, but if you want to, you can still fussy cut around them like I did here, and then add bits and pieces to it and just make it look that little bit different to suit the imagery that you want to put forward. So I will leave links to Scrimpingmommy below. I will leave the link to Yvonne Preston, who inspired me to put this flip-flap notebook together, and then it just folds up and folds again. It's almost concertina side, so you can use it whichever way suits you best once you've done all your decorating. And I just happen to like this little scenario here with the portrait and the writing and so on. I just felt that that gave it a really good look on the front page, and then you just pull one way, turn it over and pull it that way. But when it's all opened out, you saw it's quite a large project to do, but one that lends itself to this kind of kit, you know, and it could be floral, it could be anything you wanted it to be, but it does just so work with this type of put together. So I hope you've enjoyed it, as I say, and do follow on and check out these ladies if you don't know them, because you're missing a lot if you don't. And I'll be back in the not too distant with something else to share with you, no doubt. I'm doing a little bit of beading at the minute, so I might go off the tracks entirely, there's no telling. It's certainly, if the hot weather continues, I may well do beading, which is more more calming and less active, and wait for the heat to pass on a little bit. So take care everyone, happy crafting, bye bye for now.